This means that people have less money to spend on things like entertainment, travel, and hobbies.
Hey Fuad, why has the ringgit weakened against the US dollar, despite Malaysia securing a free passage at the Straits of Hormuz?
You see, what started off as inflation worries has become growth worries, as people spend more on essentials and then become more frugal. This means that people have less money to spend on things like entertainment, travel, and hobbies. These periods are often called risk-off, and they are often characterized by a stronger US dollar. In these periods, global investors are seeking safety rather than higher returns. This is precisely the dynamic that causes the USD MYR number to go above 4, notably as foreign investors exit Malaysia, which is still considered an emerging market and not a developed one.
So, how do I manage my ringgit during uncertain times like this?
At times like these, people have traditionally invested in gold and increasingly in Bitcoin to protect their purchasing power. In fact, in the month of March 2026, Bitcoin has actually outperformed gold. In other words, if you had invested 100 ringgit in both of these assets during this period, for Bitcoin, you would be up 6 ringgit, and for gold, you would have been down 8 ringgit. At Halogen Capital, we think it's worth gradually diversifying into these assets. If you're looking for Bitcoin, our Halogen Shariah Bitcoin Fund gives you an easy way to get access in a safe manner. While if you prefer to keep Ringgit, our Halogen Shariah Ringgit Income Fund provides steady returns. Both will provide you quick next business day liquidity to enable you to reconfigure your portfolio in these fast-changing times.